सो हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे उन जीके के क्वेश्चंस के बारे में जो आपके कल के एग्जाम में एमसीआरई में आने वाले हैं, या फिर मैं ये कहूँ कि आपको पता होने ज़रूरी हैं, क्योंकि फर्स्ट 25 क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट अगर आपको करने हैं तो आपको जीके के क्वेश्चंस आपको आने चाहिए। तो चलिए इस वीडियो को विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम शुरू करते हैं। इन विच स्टेट इज द पोबर रिजर्व फॉरेस्ट रिसेंटली इन द न्यूज लोकेटेड? So it is in Assam. CEL, which is Central Electronic Limited, recently granted Mini Ratna status, operates under which ministry? कौन सी मिनिस्ट्री के अंदर ये आता है? ये आता है मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी, विच इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी। अगले क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। Which position did India secure in the Global Innovation Index? Global Innovation Index was 39th. अगला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। अगला क्वेश्चन है द प्रधानमंत्री दिव्याशा केंद्र ऑपरेट्स अंडर विच मिनिस्ट्री? कौन सी मिनिस्ट्री के अंदर ये ऑपरेट करता है? इट इज मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ सोशल जस्टिस एंड एम्पावरमेंट। मानका बत्रा इज एसोसिएटेड विद विच स्पोर्ट्स? इट टेबल टेनिस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। कौन सी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने जीता था GEEF, विच इज ग्लोबल वाटर टेक अवार्ड 2024 अंडर द वाटर डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ द ईयर कैटेगरी? द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज नेशनल मिशन फॉर क्लीन गंगा। अगला क्वेश्चन, द चंद्रयान सैटेलाइट वॉज रिसेंटली लॉन्च बाय विच कंट्री? कौन सी कंट्री ने इसको लॉन्च किया था? इट वॉज बाय ईरान। द टर्म ऑपरेशन सद्भाव रिसेंटली इन न्यूज इज रिलेटेड टू विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग? कौन सी चीज से रिलेटेड है? मिलिट्री गुडविल इनिशिएटिव इन जम्मू एंड कश्मीर। अगला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। द निकोबार पिजन रिसेंटली मेंशन्ड इन एनवायरमेंटल न्यूज इज नोन फॉर विच डिस्टिंक्टिव फीचर? द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज ब्राइटली कलर्ड प्लूमेज। अगला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। द फूड वर्सेस कार डिलेमा इन इंडियाज हाईलाइट्स competition for which resource between agriculture and EV batteries? The correct answer for this question is phosphoric acid. Agla question. The Bhaskar digital platform is associated in which sector? It is for agriculture. This is the digital platform for agriculture. Agla question है, dyslexia is a primarily associated with difficulties in which area? It is for reading. Which Indian bank launched Green Finance Initiative? Green Finance Initiative was launched by Promote Sustainable Projects. It's SBI. District Mineral Foundation is in India are established to benefit which group? To tribals and mining affected communities. Which city hosted G20? G20 was hosted in न्यू। अगला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। What is the name of India's largest solar mission? It was Aditya L1. अगला क्वेश्चन, which Indian state launched this Mukhyamantri Seekho Kamao Yojana for youth skill development in 2024? It was in MP. The 2024 Chess Olympiad is scheduled to be hosted in which country? It was scheduled to be hosted in India. Which Indian cricketer retired from international cricket in July? Shikhar Dhawan. Agla question. Which Indian airline was placed as the world's largest aircraft order in 2024? It was Indigo. What is the new maximum age limit for joining the Agnipath scheme? It's 23 years old. This is the maximum age limit. Which bank launched the Project Kube to test central bank digital currencies for cross-border payments? The correct answer for this question is RBI. Agla question देखते हैं. Which country won the most medal in Paris Olympic? It was USA. Who was elected as the 16th president of India in 2024? It was Draupadi Murmu. Which company became India's most valuable startup in 2024? It was Zepto. The first made in India hydrogen powered train was launched in which year? We are talking about 2024. Who won 2024 Wimbledon men's singles title? It was Carlos Alcaraz. Which Indian state recorded the highest GDP in third quarter? It was Gujarat. Which city was ranked as the most livable city in India in 2024 Global Livability Index? It's Pune. India's Chandrayaan 4 mission aims to explore which body? It is Mars. Which Indian fintech startup received RBI approval to operate as a payment aggregator in 2024? The correct answer for this question is Razorpay. The RBI Digital Rupees pilot program was expanded to how many cities in 2024? It was expanded to 50. Which Indian movie won this award? International Feature Film Award was 12th Fail. Who was awarded the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award? It was awarded to the chess champion R. Ramesh Nagan something. Whatever the full name is, I don't remember. It is something Ramesh and all. So, अगला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. Which Indian state became first to implement AI powered traffic management system? Maharashtra. Which country was India's top trading partner? It's USA. अगला क्वेश्चन. Which e-commerce company launched first India drone-based delivery system? Drone-based delivery system was by Flipkart. अगला. Which state launched the Green Hydrogen Valley initiative? This was launched in Rajasthan. India's first Hyperloop testing facility was established in which state? Hyperloop is in Maharashtra. Which Indian university ranked, ये अभी हमने पिछले वाले उसमें भी देखा था, which is IIT बॉम्बे. अगला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. अगला क्वेश्चन है which state became the first to implement 100% renewable energy in government building? It's HP, हिमाचल प्रदेश. अगला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. Which Indian state launched the मुख्यमंत्री महिला सम्मान योजना in 2024 to promote women's financial independence? The correct answer for this question is MP, Madhya Pradesh. Which Indian tech company became first to achieve $300 billion market valuation in 2024? It was TCS. Who won Nobel Prize in Physics from India? It was no one. No Indian won this award. Which city hosted this BRICS Summit 2024? It was in Moscow. Which Indian state officially recognized Kambala, which is buffalo racing, as a traditional sport in 2024? The correct answer for this question is Karnataka. अगला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. अगला क्वेश्चन है which Indian company announced world's first bio-based plastic production in 2024? The correct answer for this question is Tata Chemicals. Who became India's highest ranked chess player in 2024, surpassing this? Vishwanathan Anand. इसका अभी हमने ऊपर भी डिस्कस किया. It was Gukesh. Which Indian city was declared as a cleanest city? It's Indore. What is the theme of India's Republic Day parade? Republic Day parade की क्या थीम थी? It was विकसित भारत, डेवलप्ड इंडिया. अगला क्वेश्चन है which is the last question, that which Indian airport became first to fully powered by solar energy? The correct answer is Cochin International Airport. So I hope these questions will help you to practice and GK and all. इसके आधार पे अगर आपको आज में कोई वीडियो चाहिए, don't forget to comment. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट के साथ.